That's way too much sugar! I'm hitting the alarm! But look! I brought some help! Here they are! The Sugar SWAT Team! Hello! I am Turmeric. I manage blood sugar.
Hello, I am Walnut. I improve healthy levels. Hello, I am Spinach. I regulate sugar levels. Hello, I am Okra. I lower sugar absorption.
Hello, I am Lemon. I help manage blood sugar. Hello, I am Bean. I slow down sugar digestion. Hello, I am Gymnema. I reduce sugar absorption. Hello, I am Garlic. I boost insulin levels. Hello, I am Fenugreek. I slow sugar absorption.
Hello, I am Oats. I soak up excess sugar.
Hello, I am Cucumber. I flush out excess sugar.
Hello, I am Cinnamon. I improve insulin sensitivity.
Hello, I am Chia Seed. I reduce sugar spikes.
Hello, I am Broccoli. I protect your blood vessels. Hello, we are Blueberries. We fight sugar damage. Hello, I am Black Seed. I support sugar balance. Hello, I am Bitter Gourd. I help control blood sugar naturally. Hello, I am Barley. I stabilize blood sugar. Hello, I am Avocado. I keep sugar steady. Goodbye, everyone. Stay healthy. Bye-bye.